We're renovating an old Victorian house built in 1900. One of the projects is to restore the original front wood door. Our old wood door has a lot of intricate details. The doorknob and faceplate has tarnished over the century. We removed the door hardware to allow us to properly remove the tarnish. Tarnish is a thin layer of corrosion that forms over copper, brass, and other similar metals. While it was difficult to completely clean the hardware, the result was rewarding. We then moved on to sand the door down to bare wood. We used a power sander to remove the old door stain. After power sanding as much as we could, we had to hand sand door panel edges to remove the remaining old stain. Once the door was completely sanded, we applied the new stain. This stain was wiped or brushed on. After letting the stain sit for 5 minutes, the excessive stain was removed by a dry rag. After applying the stain to the exterior of the front door, it was allowed to dry. We then proceeded to stain the interior part of the front door. We found that using a brush reduced the application time compared to wiping the stain on with a rag. The next day we sanded the door trim. Once sanded, we applied stain to the bare interior door trim wood. We replaced a damaged trim piece with another piece of original wood already stained. We then taped around the exterior front door trim. The exterior front door trim was painted black to match the windows. Once the stained door was dry, we applied a polyurethane coating. Before adding a second coat, we sanded the door with 400 grit sandpaper. This sanding, staining, and polyurethane brought out the richness of the wood. Our door renovation project turned out well. There are a few additional tasks required. We will replace the screen door, touch up the white siding paint, update the door threshold, and continue to clean the door hardware. Please like and share our video. To follow the renovation of this old house, please subscribe to our channel.